Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Today we have prepared news about the Cardano cryptocurrency for you. Has Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson falsified his qualifications? Laura Shin's latest book, The Kryptonians, has uncovered some significant facts about Hoskinson and his credentials, with the book stating that Hoskinson, the founder and CEO of Cardano, one of the biggest cryptocurrencies around, did not enroll in any PhD program, contrary to what he has been claiming. The book had gone into great detail about the founders of Ethereum, including Vitalik Buterin and Charles Hoskinson. The book also focused on the identity of the Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAO, attacker. One Twitter user who had read the book hit out at Laura Shin, stating that she is portraying Hoskinson in a bad light. Not one to stand down, Hoskinson replied to the user stating that Shin's book is a great work of fiction. Great work of fiction. Tough market to beat George R.R. Martin and Tolkien, but we wish her well. However, Shin hit back at Hoskinson, stating that Charles has not been entirely honest about some of his claims regarding his level of education. Shin responded to Hoskinson's comment on Twitter, stating that the Cardano founder should come forward and address the discrepancies regarding claims that he had dropped out of a doctorate degree program, and the school's claims about the same. She replied on Twitter, "Hi Charles, speaking of fiction, do you want to address the discrepancies between your claims of dropping out of a PhD program and the school's assertions that you were enrolled as an undergrad?" She also uploaded several screenshots to back up her claims regarding Charles Hoskinson and the discrepancies regarding his statements about his education. Shin had not made the accusations out of thin air and had reached out to several schools that Hoskinson had claimed to have enrolled in for his doctorate degree program. However, it seems the institutions have refuted these claims. According to Shin, Hoskinson has stated on a number of occasions that he had completed an undergraduate program in number theory at the University of Colorado Boulder and the Metropolitan State University of Denver. However, he never completed his PhD program. However, information sourced by Shin from the schools reveals that Hoskinson had enrolled in undergraduate programs but had never managed to acquire a degree. As expected, the revelations have created significant debate on Twitter, with some users criticizing Hoskinson, while others are defending him. The allegations do not put him in good light, with several people having invested in Cardano on the basis that ADA would outperform his peers. Hoskinson has been called out prior to this as well, with one instance in 2020, when Hoskinson had promised that by 2021, there would be thousands of decentralized applications on Cardano. However, as of today, there are only a handful of decentralized applications running on Cardano. So next news. Founder Charles Hoskinson exposed for misleading about enrolling for a PhD degree. Laura Shin, a crypto journalist who recently published a book dubbed Cryptopians, has uncovered major facts showing Charles Hoskinson talk more about Hydra at the Cardano Summit 2021, set to begin on September 25th. Here, IOHK will discuss Hydra's progress to date and goals for the future, meaning we may get some updates to the Cardano roadmap that include Hydra dates. IOHK says it will have a developer preview for Hydra node available ahead of the Cardano Summit. Here, it will allow a small number of users to make transactions via Hydra head. This proof of concept, and any other future updates or prototypes, will be available to view via the GitHub repository. Of course, all the information we have on Hydra is subject to change. We'll keep this page updated as any news comes out. As a Layer 2 system, Hydra will seek to scale the wider Cardano blockchain by reducing latency and increasing the throughput, or transactions per second, TPS. IOHK states Hydra can reach confirmation times of under 1 second, compared to the Cardano mainnet latency of 20 seconds. Cardano price analysis. ADA breaks above 86 cents. Will the bullish momentum continue? The one-day price chart for Cardano price analysis shows an increase in price. The ADA is trading hands at $0.836 at the time of writing. The crypto pair gained a value of $5.36 over the last 24 hours, but has been at a loss in value of 12.38% over the past week. The trading volume has decreased by 2.49%, but the market cap has increased by 5.12%, resulting in the market dominance of 1.54%. The volatility for ADA United States dollar is high, but now the Bollinger Bands are slowly converging, with the upper limit of the Bollinger Bands present at the $1 mark, and the lower band is present at the $0.770 mark, representing the support for ADA United States dollar. The mean average forming at $0.888 represents resistance for ADA. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is trading in the lower half of the neutral zone at index 39, but on a steep upward slope. The indicator shows a varied progression in buying activity. The 4-hour Cardano price analysis shows bears have been outpowered by bulls, and the price level has seen a steady upwards motion, especially at the start of the trading session, and has been upwards for the last 4 hours as well. A few correction phases were observed yesterday, but today the trend is in favor of buyers, and price levels have increased prominently. The volatility is also high on the 4-hour chart as the Bollinger Bands are expanded apart, indicating more price movement for the coming hours. The upper band is at $0.859, representing resistance for ADA, and the lower band is at the $0.779 mark, making an average of $0.819. The average of the Bollinger Bands is below the price level, indicating support for the ADA United States dollar pair. The RSI is at index 51 in the neutral zone, and its upwards movement hints at a buying activity overtaking the market. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concepts. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past